Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click once again. In today's drawing I'm going to be drawing another anime, and this is a request again on my YouTube channel from ANM22 asking me to draw Levi from Attack on Titan. So I hope you like this, ANM22. I gave it my best shot. As always, I started out freehanding this with a pencil, and then I went over the pencil with my it's a Faber-Castell fine liner. I find this really fantastic for doing this style of drawing. You can get the tapered edges, particularly around the hair areas, which make it look slightly more realistic. I'm using my Copic markers again to start with for this, and I'm using a cool grey 5 for the hair and the black. I'm leaving the highlighted area white, but I do go over that with a cool grey 1 later on in the drawing. For the face, I used a blush colour, and I went over the darker side of the face, which is on the left hand side, with a cool grey 5. When you're doing any type of drawing, whether it's anime, cartoon work or realistic drawing, if you want to try and give the impression of realism and a shape, sort of a spherical shape or a face shape, you have to make sure that there is one side that is darker than the other. This is how our brains interpret light, and it says that there's something going away from the light, so this must be curved or rounded. So the left side of the face, like I said, is in a darker colour. It's in the cool grey. Really enjoy doing these animes. I had a couple of requests recently for a few characters, so I'm enjoying doing them. Keep the requests coming in. Like I say, I'm not a huge. I don't know too much about anime or manga, so I'm learning as I'm going, but I'm really enjoying doing them. So send me some more of your requests and I will get them done and give you a quick shout out. I'm using a moss green for the coat, and I used a yellowish green for the inside of the shirt area. This took me about 2.5 hours, I think, from start to finish. And as always, I'm using a comic book sort of outline or picture frame just to make this stand out from the page. We're getting towards the end of this, so thanks so much for the request, ANM22. I hope you like it. Send in another request, let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this. If you already have done, thank you so much. Switch the notifications button on because I am trying to do daily videos, and don't forget to hook me up on all the social media platforms. You can find me and all the links in the description. Thanks so much for watching and sending the request, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.